In this tutorial, I'm gonna explain the 5 most used Boolean commands with examples. Boolean commands are basically words or symbols that define and specify your search in different ways. The most basic Boolean commands are these 5: quotation marks, truncation, and, or, as well as not. Let's take a closer look at them. Quotation marks indicate exact multi-word phrases. If you search in an academic database for dog eating bee with quotation marks, the search engine will return a list of articles containing that exact phrase. Without quotation marks, the search engine may assume that the phrase is a list of separate query terms. So in contrast, the query dog eating bee without quotation marks might return a result containing all the terms, but not necessarily in the right order, or even related to each other. Let's move on to truncation. Truncation helps you to broaden your search. This is done by adding an asterisk to the end of the root of a word. The truncation symbol indicates to the database that you want to find variation of the word stem. A query for child without truncation will result in articles containing that specific term. Do the same search with truncation, and you will have results with varying endings, but related to your search phrase, like children, children's, and childhood. The Boolean command OR connects 2 or more keywords or key phrases, which results in items containing either or both key phrases. This is a good way to connect synonyms and alternative spellings in a database search. OR expands and broadens your search. You get more results. Say I'm interested in digital currency, but know that some authors of the subject use the synonym virtual currency. Or let me conduct one database search for both of these terms, and I can be sure that the results will include one or both of my key phrases. The Boolean command AND functions in almost the opposite way of OR, and connects terms to each other. Using AND, you find references that contains all your keywords. Using AND between terms narrows your search. You get fewer results. So if you search for digital currency or virtual currency and risk factor, you're telling the search engine that all the results must contain risk factor and both or either digital or virtual currency. When you're using not, you'll get results that contain your keyword or key phrases, but not other phrases of your choosing. Not narrows down your search and can be used for reducing irrelevant results. Say we're still interested in researching digital currency, but don't want results on bitcoins. Then not is a good command to use because we're retrieving everything that includes digital currency, but excludes everything that relates to bitcoins. And this was a hopefully easy explanation of the 5 most used Boolean commands. If you like this, check out my other tutorials and of course subscribe.